Hi, I'm Tom. Mike has asked me to do a very quick video on how to operate the Revo 7 and particularly the decocking feature, which I'll show you in just a moment. I've had very few occasions to decock this bow. In fact, the only real reason I've had is that I've put in a bolt that's had 40 fletchings on it, and that's jammed the magazine. The safest way to decock it is obviously to discharge it into a target mat. If you're not in a position to do that, then there is a special decocking tool just here. All you do is you squeeze that, remove the decocking tool. So that's cocked. Now what we have to do is slowly, gently take that forward, just using a bit of hand pressure, put it into fire, turn the bow over, use your cocking tool, press that down, take it back past the string, and effectively you've taken a very slow shot. You remove the bolt and you're back in business. It's very simple to do once you get the idea. I'll do it once more if you like. Bow cocked. Now what I'm going to do is put that into fire, and you have to put a bit of pressure here just to stop the bow actually firing. Push it into the fire position and just make sure, yeah, you're in fire. Bow's pointing away from you. Press down here, take it back past the string and remove your bolt. So that's all pretty straightforward. Hope that's helpful for everybody, and hope it's useful. Thank you.